I'm here on the Innovia film stand at Label Expo America 2014 with Wayne Middleton and Alasdair McEwen from Innovia Films. It'd be great if you could just run through some of your new products at the show, particularly UltraFoil, which we have here. I'll give it to you first.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, the sort of theme of our stand here is bringing technology to the surface. So we want to showcase our R&D expertise, our coating expertise, to show the sort of high-end, high-value polypropylene labels for many different applications. One of those is our new UltraFoil films. So we're putting on a newly designed top coat that gives enhanced printability and excellent cold foiling. We're seeing cold foiling being a real differentiator in the markets in many applications, from high-end beverage bottles to home and personal care. And we see designers and brand managers want to use that foiling sort of design and standout appearance to get more customers. So we've designed a top coat in a film to hopefully make that work well.
And you've been working with a number of partners, I believe, in developing this as a solution for the label converter?
Yes. And one of the aspects of cold foiling is you can develop some very nice decorative effects, but obviously you need a very sharp and distinct image with the foil. And what we've been able to create with UltraFoil is a very smooth surface, which takes the cold foiling and with very high definition. One of the collaboration projects we've done with API foils, also with Mark Andy, is to produce a range of graphic designs which highlight the true graphic potential of not just the UV flexo print, but also in combination with the foil itself. So for premium products, you can show the real metallic effect of some of the designs in combination. And I think the comment from some of the API guys are that they've never seen such nice cold foiling results, which is nice.
And around the world, this is an extremely important technology for converters in both developed and emerging markets. I mean, what's the kind of technical challenges you face with trying to serve both sets of customers?
I think one of the issues we've seen is if you look at the North American and European market, they are very developed, very mature markets, and technology is well understood and well known. As you get further afield into other regions of the world, the learning curves may be a little bit different, and some of the press operators don't have the full flexibility to play with the press to get the best results. So what they're actually looking for is a material that works day in, day out without any manipulation of press conditions. So the challenge for us was to open the operating window as wide as possible, so that you just put the material onto the press, they run it, and they get the same results day in, day out.
And another new product you have on the stand is WPlus. Could you tell us a bit more about that, Alasdair?
Yes, certainly. WPlus is part of a wider range of plus films, as we call them. These films are what we call inherently printable. So traditionally, polypropylene always needed a specialist top coat to get good printability. What we've done is apply some special new technology to get printability on a non-coated film. So we're able to apply that to both clear and white films, both rigid and squeezable films for squeezable tube applications. So it gives enhanced traditional label printing, UV flexo printing, again, as well as cold foiling, and really sort of pushes the boundary of new technology in the label market.
So with both of these new products, is it fair to say you're trying to offer a fully rounded offering now with your...
I think the label industry requires, there's so many different print processes and so many different applications, and ideally they want one material that prints with all those processes with a minimum amount of hassle. And I think with the UltraFoil, you've got the traditional UV narrow web printability with the enhanced cold foiling. But on the inherently printable side, we've been able to take cost out of the substrate to try and tackle those pressures as well. And one of the other additional aspects that we have to be mindful of, there is more and more regulatory and legislation around low migration and food contact as well. And with these materials, we have very shortly to confirm food contact compliance as well. So traditionally in an area where materials were not necessarily food contact compliant, we can now build that in without sacrificing any other performance as well.
Very interesting. Well, I hope you find that very interesting and helpful. So, again, thank you very much, Wayne, for your time, and Alasdair for your time. Thank you very much.